Axie limitlessness cost especially equivalent to $8.2146 a coin, which really is very critical. The present exchange cost range, 7.8958 8.3038, which explicitly is very huge. The earlier day close, 8.0160, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change explicitly was plus 0.1986, plus 2.48%, which truly is genuinely critical. Converse rate, USD to Axie endlessness value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month, which for the most part is very huge. Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 20, cost $8.20. Extremely greatest 8.77, really least 7.63, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness conjecture on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost $7.46. Certainly most extreme 7.98, especially least 6.94, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost $7.71. Genuinely most extreme 8.25, kind of least 7.17 in every practical sense. Large way. Axie endlessness figure on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost $8.12. Sort of most extreme 8.69, fundamentally least 7.55 in a by and large huge manner. In multi-week Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 24, cost $8.81. Lovely most extreme 9.43, least 8.19 in a very huge way. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Monday. Walk, 27, cost $8.57. Really most extreme 9.17, truly least 7.97 in a genuinely huge way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost $8.81. Essentially most extreme 9.43, kind of least 8.19, or so they explicitly thought. Axie endlessness figure on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost $8.17. Exceptionally greatest 8.74. Genuinely least 7.60, which generally shows that today, S exchange cost range, 7.8958 8.3038. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost $7.47. Sort of greatest 7.99, sort of least 6.95. In about 14 days Axie boundlessness gauge on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $7.23. In every practical sense, greatest 7.74, really least 6.72, showing that Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 20, cost $8.20. Exceptionally most extreme 8.77, exceptionally least 7.63, or so they in a real sense thought. Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost $7.33. Most certainly greatest 7.84, all things considered, least 6.82 in a sort of significant way. Axie vastness estimate on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $7.31, especially greatest 7.82, kind of least 6.80 amazingly. Axie vastness cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $6.98, sort of greatest 7.47, sort of least 6.49 in a significant way. Axie endlessness conjecture on Thursday. April, 6, cost $6.63, essentially most extreme 7.09, really least 6.17, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. In 3 weeks Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Friday. April, 7, cost $6.47, in every way that really matters. Most extreme 6.92, fundamentally least 6.02, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness estimate on Monday. April, 10, cost $6.73. Truly most extreme 7.20, especially least 6.26, which sort of is very critical. Axie vastness cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $6.49. Beautiful greatest 6.94, for the most part least 6.04 in a kind of significant manner. Axie endlessness estimate on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $6.48, sort of greatest 6.93, beautiful least 6.03 incredibly. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday. April, 13, cost $6.61, kind of greatest 7.07, especially least 6.15, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In about a month Axie endlessness figure on Friday. April, 14, cost $6.37, kind of greatest 6.82, in every way that really matters, least 5.92, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $6.10, fundamentally greatest 6.53, most certainly least 5.67, or so they truly thought. Axie boundlessness gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost $6.08, genuinely greatest 6.51, extremely least 5.65, or so they explicitly thought. USD to AX conversion scale especially equivalent to 0.1217 coins per $1, or so they especially thought. Today, S reach 0.1204 minus 0.1267 in a very significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.1248, which for the most part is very critical. Change for now 0.0031, 2.48%, in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to AX cost gauge in the not-so-distant future and month, truly further appearance how in 3 weeks Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost $6.47, really greatest 6.92, truly least 6.02 and in an every practical sense, significant way. Dollar to Axie endlessness gauge on Monday. Walk 20 cost 0.122 coins, essentially most extreme 0.131, especially least 0.114, which explicitly is genuinely huge. USD to AX expectation on Tuesday. Walk 21 cost 0.134 coins, all things considered, greatest 0.144, essentially least 0.125, which truly is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday. Walk 22 cost 0.130 coins, most certainly greatest 0.139, sort of least 0.121 in an exceptionally significant manner. USD to AX expectation on Thursday. Walk 23 cost 0.123 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.132, fundamentally least 0.115 in a very significant way. In multi-week dollar to Axie vastness gauge on Friday. Walk 24 cost 0.114 coins, really greatest 0.122, genuinely least 0.106 in every practical sense. Further appearance how USD to AX cost conjecture for in the not so distant future and month, especially further appearance how in 3 weeks Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday. April 7 cost $6.47 in every way that really matters. Most extreme 6.92, genuinely least 6.02, which for the most part is genuinely critical. USD to AX expectation on Monday. Walk 27 cost 0.117 coins, especially greatest 0.125, beautiful least 0.109. Pretty further appearance how today. S exchange cost range 7.8958 or so they by and large thought. Dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Tuesday. Walk 28 cost 0.114 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.122, especially least 0.106. USD to AX expectation on Wednesday. Walk 29 cost 0.122 coins, sort of greatest 0.132 in every practical sense, least 0.114, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Thursday. Walk 30 cost 0.